So hey guys, hello and welcome. And today we will learn from this website how you can connect your Dali devices. Yeah. So for Dali electricians, below are the informations of an electrician should know when to install a Dali based product. See, this is what the correct way to do the installations. First your actuator or processor, then your one, two, three. Not like this. Like you can't do one with 64 devices up to, and don't make a closed circuits. So fine. So Dali cable can be wire next to normal mains carrying wires, reduce the need to segregate the control wires thanks to a high signals to noise ratio and wide range of for the Dali signals. It is a virtually impossible for a Dali data signals to be affected by interference. The Dali line can be burned up to can be run up to 300 meter using 1.5 mm 1.5 square mm twin active cable. Okay, so what I'm talking about, I need a pencil, right? Where is my pencil? Yeah. So the Dali line can be run up to 300 meters. Okay, uh, 300 meters it can go, and 1.5 square mm of twin like this spiral, na. This is a spiral cable. The Dali specifications allow for maximum 2-volt drop in the communication signals. The Dali line does not require terminations of the line and support all wirings. And topology, except ring and closed loop, the trees and branches and chains are all acceptable. So you can do for a tree. Okay, uh, this is our tree, or you can do others too, like branches and chains. So the Dali line can be connected to maximum for 64 Dali devices, and every Dali line require a Dali power supply. Every Dali line require a power supply. The Dali power supply, the power supply can be wired at any positions along the line where and use a facilities communications between Dali device and control system. The Dali power supply will continue output of 9 to 24 volts approx on a control where, and there is no communication. Dali device will respond to a control systems by shorting the two control wires together. Energy lighting, because all Dali fittings are supplied with a switches active supply, there is no added needed for any extra circuit breakers or wiring. The same setups can be used for Dali's lighting. Dali emergency lighting or mixed Dali emergency lighting, due to fact of Dali wires are not slave brake generations. The brake generations can be wired directly to all supply without considerations of the load. During commissioning, the load and the fittings required to be powered by the emergency generator are selected and then programmed. A control system can even be programmed to control the load and turn on more fittings as the generator stabilize. This is what the Dali programming, like Dali wiring, you can do. So first is, this is your Dali output device, right? And this require a power supply. You give a power supply, that's good. And here is the output goes, every output goes to, see, it is like a looping. Again you go, again you do, again you go, again, same as like our face needs. And your LED fixtures, this is for example your downlight or whatever light is there, right? So you need a phase and neutral first, and there is a driver is there. So the driver have a have a one, it will go to the lights output, another 4 is for phase and Dali. You got it, now? 24 hours fittings, there is no needed to separate fittings that needed to operate 24 hours a day into a separate supply. Fittings that are required to operate 24 hours a day can be programmed when the site is commissioned. So Dali 2 means simple wiring, one line for lightning, emergency switches and sensors. Dali means simple wiring. Dali 2 means simple wiring, one line for lightning, emergency switches and sensors. Follow the learn more button. Okay, no, I will not follow you, sorry. But anyway, that's quite good now. Why to choose Dali? Learn about Dali. Let's learn more. Huh? I just make a 5 minutes video. Why to learn Dali? So what is Dali? Dali is a digital addressable lightning interface named Dali. Dali is the short form of digital addressable lightning interface. Is a communicable language, and if it facilitates the communications and therefore control of multiple devices such as blast, transformer and other lightning equipments. Devices that speak the same language can exchange informations in much the same way people can exchange informations they when they communicate using the same language. Dali device. Designed on a distributed intelligence framework, each Dali device has onboard memory with that store all relevant informations about the devices, including diagnostics, which reduce the technical requirement on the control systems and the amount of data to be submitted over the line. Dali is a lightning control standard defined under European standards ICE. Dali stand for Digital Addressable Lightning Interface. Okay, we told you, na? So Dali translator. This is the emergency lightning. This is the Dali cable. This is our emergency light. Dali cable. Dali translate it into a signals and logics, and then this is the computer which controlling it. Native speakers do it better. Some control systems such as PLC can talk Dali natively, and PLC programming logic control, where there are other may need to translator to assist in the communications as seen in the diagram above. Photo protocols that use Dali gateway are normally slower and added extra complexity to Dali as they needed to translate all their sent commands from their native language. For example, KNX, EBI. Yeah, I already use KNX. Okay, KNX, EBI, BSend, BigNet, or ZB into a Dali language, where there is a native Dali device can speak directly to Dali device blast LED without translating language. Okay, so Dali as they needed to translate all their sends commands from their native language. For example, KNX. Okay, avoid like switches, secondary protocol, Dali blast, Dali bus. So Dali blast and Dali blast. Avoid miscommunications. Just like when humans communicate, if one person has trouble speaking the language, issue or miscommunications and can occur. This is the same way with the Dali. It is not a problem with the Dali, but a problem with the way the language is used. Above is the basics diagram of the missing communications. Fine. Hmm. 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 Dali queries data. Unlike traditional lightning control protocols, Dali has the bidirectional communications allow control systems to query data device and obtain information about the status of each device. Queries informations can be as simple as current state, on off, or more technical, such as lamp status or battery level in the case of inverters. Since selections and fault diagnostics are also available through Dali, making it very useful to use with build automation systems with remote supervising and service report are required. This is a convert alternative protocols. JetCon for easy integration. Okay, BigNet and Dali KNX into Dali, and that can allow to easily integrate all the other system and devices for our room controls, LCM, light control management are upgradable and translated alternatively protocols such as BigNet and KNX into Dali. This allow through Dali communications between the controller and the devices while giving feedback. That's good now. Okay, and Dali 1, now is Dali 2 is there. Dali speed, Dali for consultant, Dali for electrician, Dali for installations. Okay, let's do this installation as a standalone solution. Dali emergency is a standalone solution. Hey man, open it. Dali installation. Mm-hmm. Dali emergency. Dali emergency. No, I want Dali installation. Hmm. Okay, commissioning, addressing, random addressing, then physically addressing, cloud. There are a few things. Each Dali device on a line required to address respond. Physical address. Two type of addressing: random addressing and physical addressing. Cloud commissioning. Okay, dramatically decrease building commissioning time by up to 100 watts. Anyway, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Bye bye.